Oh, kia ora, we're no mai haere mai. This is the Wintec's Rotokauri Campus, which is specifically designed and set up for our students in trades. This encompasses plumbing, electrical, carpentry. We also have sports sciences, veterinary clinics, and we have horticulture, which includes arborists and amenity. But as you can see around this area too, is we have lots of places to support our students. So a kai apina is somebody that is there to help you if you have any concerns, such as, hey, maybe I'm just short of cash, something's happened, maybe a car's broken down, where they're actually there to support you. So we do pastoral care as well as academic care, which, as I mentioned, is an important part of the New Zealand's Code of Pastoral Care for international students.
Right.
So we take it very seriously here at Wintec, and these support services are available for both international and domestic.
Right.
Here playing basketball in the break, so it's a lovely place for students to hang out. So once again, here we are coming into, this is a multi-purpose building, which is called Open Plan Teaching. As you can see, this doubles as a foyer as well as breakout classes for our students. Okay. And as you can see, it's like a big warehouse divided into different areas for teaching for our students.
So this is the place where electrical engineering students come and get
trained. You'll come here as well. Yes.
What is this lab?
And this one looks like it's mainly plumbing around here. So they've sort of divided up this big space into specific areas.
Right.
And as you see, we're moving down here to automotive.
Okay.
If I can just ask everyone just to stay in these yellow lanes down here, because this is a health and safety space.
Right.
But once again, so students learn here to fix cars. Actually, Blaine's really good at fixing cars. He could be a tutor down here. Spaces. So all of these classrooms are set up to facilitate, as you can see, the applied learning as well as the theory, which our students need to do, learn. A lot of our students will also trades exams to meet the qualification.
Right.
And you'll have a lot of tradesmen in the area that'll actually come and study here.
Right.
While they're actually in the trade, just to upskill and keeping themselves relevant with the industry. Down here, one good thing is that, as I said, they're quite multifunctional, the classrooms, and you can adjust them and change them around according to the size of your classes.
Yeah. So usually they are here for about 20 hours a week.
Yes, so depending on what you're teaching, just like any other qualification, what classes have you enrolled in, what classes have you passed, and you'll just keep on moving pathway through to the end of your qualification.
Right.
What they also teach here on this campus, because I've been a part of it, is the Waikato Trades Association. So we call it WTA, where students who are attending secondary schools will have a day off once a week to come out here to the trades campus and actually start learning the trade. So they'll practice their entry levels here, and then once they're finished at high school, then they'll come into the degree part.
What we just wanted to show you here was that these are our, what we call our laptop vending machines. And so we have some students, because this is what we call a BYOD campus, which means bring your own device. And so a lot of our students, they come, some of them don't have computers that they use. And so what happens is that in each of these vending machines, they've got laptops in them, they're fully charged. So a student may come along with their student ID card, they'll swipe, and then they can bring out one of the laptops that they can use during the duration of one of their classes that they might have. Right, and as soon as their class is finished, and then they'll bring it, turn it back, and for another student who may use it later on. So we know here is that not all students can afford a laptop or a personal device, so they can have these ones that are there for them.
This campus has its own restaurant, which is fully operated by our students.
Okay.
It's called the Windows Restaurant, and if you are on campus or you're a staff member or a student, you get to have a nice lunch for $15, and it's like 3-course meal. It's actually quite delicious. And I've come in for the dinners. They have themed dinners, and all of these are part of our students' assessments. So they'll come up with the menu, they'll cook it, they'll prepare it, they'll serve it, and you can give them some feedback. One of the team managers down here is actually Josh, and here's on today. Here's one of the kitchens. I can see big industrial kitchens.
Small kitchens. One of them.
You've got some latest equipments for the students to get trained on.
Yes, lots of training for students. You can see there's a fridge freezers over there for food handling storage. So it's not only colouring arts but hospitality. So that pretty much sums up our visit on the Rotokauri Trades campus. As you can see, there's a wide range of teaching facilities that focus on all aspects of trades, culinary arts, sports science, which is really exciting for our students who are seeking tertiary education in that field, as well as supporting our students in the Waikato Trades Academy from secondary school.
Thank you very much, Priscilla, and thank you very much, Blaine, for taking your precious time to bring us to this campus. I think it's a very nice campus, and students can definitely benefit from the professional training that they'll get here. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm from Step Ahead Education Consultants with offices in Chandigarh and Ludhiana, and we've been working with Wintec for a very long time, and our graduates have found huge success after they graduated from this institute. If you want to apply to any of the courses at Wintec, you can come and see us at our offices in Chandigarh and Ludhiana.